Hello students, GATE SPC Online person welcomes you, and today we are going to discuss our concept 11 through question, and this is from basics of material science. In this question just they are asking about which among of the following is not a property of ionic bond. So in this question just they are asking about this ionic bond. And you know guys, this is like every year from starting they are just asking this question from bonds. So every time just they ask about question from ionic, covalent, metallic or different kinds of bonds. So already just we have discussed, sir, bonds are basically two types: your primary bond and your secondary bonds. So secondary bonds exist between like two external atoms. For example, sir, one atom this, another atom is just this, and this force is just like external force they are facing. And primary bonds are like basically interatomic bonds, and these are going to be classified as a three types. Everything, what types, what are the definitions, what is the difference between all three or four bonds, everything in our notes and videos just I given, but only just basic recall here. So sir, primary just consists basically what types? Primary, sir, your ionic bond, also sir your covalent bond, and third sir your which bond? Metallic bond. So the basic difference between ionic, covalent and metallic, sir, in ionic, whenever ionic bond just forms, for example, sir, NaCl, so it consists Na plus and Cl minus. So what happens, sir? This cation is always like a positive charge and with negative ion just known as your anion. So what happens, sir? It will transfer electron to this your anion and it will get more negative. So this is like one positive charge and another just known as your negative charge. So whenever just we are talking about ionic bond, it may be your losing of your electron. Yes sir, this cation will losing its electron. Also sir, this anion will gain of its electron. So this is also sir property of ionic bond. This is also property of ionic bond, and also sir transfer of electron from this to this. So all 3 points are same. But sharing of electrons are not a property of ionic bond, because of this is property of your covalent bond. So in covalent bond just I given, for example sir, this is X and Y. So this will share some electrons to create this covalent bond. So what happen whenever just we are talking about our ionic bond, it creates sharing of electron or losing of electron or transfer of electron. But in transfer of electron is okay, but in our covalent bond, sharing of electron just known as covalent bond. And finally sir, in metallic bonds, in metals or in alloys, some cloud formation of negatives. So this some cloud formation of negatives and one positive. So this sub force is just there, and this force is just known as your metallic bonds. That's why biggest highest conductors of electricity is going to be your metallic bond. So we just know sir, in metals already conductivity is like highest, and in covalent bond moderate, and your ionic bond are less, or like sometimes insulator or conductivity is very less. So this is the main idea. And in secondary bonds, different kinds of bonds are there, like your hydrogen bonds. Already in our water we have hydrogen bonds. So these types of everything, this table or type or difference you should understand in notes, just revise properly. So questions, they generally ask the basic question, but they can just ask a question any type. So in this question just they're asking about which one of the following is not a property of ionic bond. So sir, losing of electron is also property of ionic bond, gain of electron is also property, transfer of electron is also. All 3 points are going to be same. Whatever just you are saying, losing electron, which one or one point is also I just want to tell you, sir. For example sir, Na plus and Cl minus. So sir, this negative charge is just known as your anion. So what happens sir, this will transfer its electrons to Cl minus. So that's why always anion size is more than your cation size. This is very important point. So this is very important, because of sir, this your cation will transfer electron to anion, so you will get more size here. So always your anion is greater in size compared to your cation. So anion is always greater. So this is also one important point. Already notes, in notes I just given the definition, also the ratio of cation to anion. Last year one question is there and direct from our notes. So that is already discussed in our class or videos. Now sir, So in this question, which one of the not a property? So definitely sir, option C is going to be correct answer, because of sir, this is not a property of ionic bond. This is property of your covalent bond. So it's complete your 11 concepts, and next you will get tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.